Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of Nigeria's most beloved dishes, Abacha, also known as African salad. It's refreshing, spicy and delicious. Let's get started. So first things first, we need to prepare the Abacha. This is the dried cassava that has been shredded. To soften it up, place it in a bowl of warm water for about 5 minutes. You want to rehydrate it so it becomes tender but not too soft. Once it's softened, drain the water and let the abacha sit for a minute or two to get rid of any excess water. Now let's make the sauce that brings the magic together. In a pan, pour in about half cup of palm oil, okay, and then you go in with potash water. Now you're going to stir this until it becomes creamy and orange in color. Okay, so keep stirring until it's creamy and it's orange in color. Now you go in with your oba, you go in with your pomo, and then you also go in with your onions, then garden eggs and your scotch bonnet pepper. Now we're just going to give this a mix to combine everything together. So now we're just going to go in with our locust beans, also known as iru. You go in with your crayfish. You also go in with seasoning cubes, and then you go in with a huru powder and salt. Now we're going to stir it around to make sure everything blends together beautifully. So you just continue stirring, alright, so that all the rich flavors will infuse into the sauce. So when you're done with that, you now start introducing the abacha into the sauce. Okay, go in a little at a time. So while stirring, I noticed that I don't have enough base, so I went right ahead and made more base with palm oil and potash water. So I went in and added it in and then introduced the last batch of my abacha. Alright, so after stirring this, I added some otazi leaves, and then here I'm also going to just heat this up a little bit. Okay, we're just going to steam this a little bit on low heat to make it a bit warm because it's cold now and the oil is a bit sticky, so we don't want that. So I'm just going to heat it up a little bit on low heat so it can be warm and easy to eat and enjoy. So here it is, all warmed up, so very nice. And that's it. This is how you get your abacha, how you make your abacha. Okay, a plate of delicious abacha, also known as African salad. It's a perfect dish for gathering or even just a quick snack. You can serve it on its own, and it also goes wonderfully with grilled fish, which I'm using, chicken, and even some fried plantains if you want. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you try this at home, make sure to tag me so I can see your pictures, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!